Welcome to ProgrammingKT. I am explaining about how to install Java 21 on Windows 11 machine. So, step 1, open any one of your favorite browser. Here in this case, I am trying to open Microsoft Edge. Then type Java 21 download. So, open Oracle official website, oracle.com. Java downloads here you are seeing, right? Oracle.com. Download Java from Oracle official website only. So, under Oracle side, you can see here it is already highlighting Java downloads tab. So under Java downloads, you can find number of, here two different versions, JDK 21 and JDK 17, and moreover that Graal VM flavor of JDK. So then you can select your operating system type, either it may be Linux, Mac OS or Windows. So I'm trying to install on Windows. So then you need to click on executable file. So click on this hyperlink. So it will ask file where you want to save. So I am trying to save that file. So D drive. So under softwares folder, I am trying to save it. So the file size will be 164 MB. Once the file is saved, go to the downloaded file location. So in my case, D drive softwares this is the file recently I downloaded, right? So JDK 21 Windows binary file. So application type. So we need to double click on it. So it will ask one pop-up. So to install that JDK on your machine. So click on X. Click on S and leave everything default. Click on next and finish it. So in my case, I already installed it. It will ask like reinstall or you want to reinstall something like that message. So I will click on no. Why? Because I already installed, right? Yeah, here you are seeing, right? So this software is already been installed on your computer. Would you like to reinstall it? So I'm clicking on no. Why? Because I already installed it, right? So in your case, first pop up, or you want to install the software on your machine, it will ask like that. So click on yes and leave everything default. Click on next and finish it. So once the installation part is done, then open any one of your favorite terminal or command prompt, PowerShell, any one of the this kind of tool. So then type Java hyphen version, then hit on enter. So it will show you some text message like Java and corresponding version of that Java and the release date, corresponding message like LTS, long term support. So once you see this message, once you type Java hyphen version, Java space hyphen version, so then only Java is successfully installed on your Windows machine. Thanks for watching.